I'm struggling to organize my presentation content. Can you help me create a clear and logical flow?
Of course. Let's start by outlining your main points in a logical order. Begin with a strong introduction, followed by key points, and finish with a memorable conclusion. Let's work on that together. Hi, I'm Finn. I'm here to help you craft and deliver a pitch presentation that will leave a lasting impact. Powered by Soul Machine's biological AI, I can see, hear, interact, and empathize like a real human. I'm available anytime, anywhere, and I provide a pressure-free environment to perfect your pitch and transform you into a confident and captivating speaker.
I tend to feel nervous when presenting. What techniques can I use to manage my anxiety?
To manage presentation anxiety, try deep breathing exercises, visualize success, and practice your pitch regularly. Regular practice and positive visualization can greatly reduce anxiety and boost your confidence.
How can I incorporate storytelling into my pitch presentation to make it more engaging?
Great question. Storytelling can transform your pitch. Start with a relatable anecdote that ties into your main message. Use vivid descriptions and emotions to captivate your audience. This will help connect with your audience on a deeper level. Instead of just presenting data, share a story about how it impacted someone's life. This makes your content more relatable and memorable. With me by your side, you're never alone in your presentation journey. Whatever help you need, I'm here to guide you every step of the way to help make your next presentation stellar. You can also create your own Soul Machine's AI assistant using Soul Machine Studio. Quickly launch one of our ready-to-go templates or easily create a fully customized assistant that is totally unique. Transform your next presentation and become a confident and captivating speaker with me, your digital AI assistant. Or create your own AI assistant at soulmachines.com.